this is John Rollins. Check out this new truck that hit our lot today. It's a 2017 Dodge Ram 2500 Tradesman 4-wheel drive. Blue Streak Pearlcoat is the color. Very, very sharp truck, very pretty color. This truck has a ton of options. Rear park assist, factory tow package, backup camera, factory fifth wheel prep with the 7-pin plug in the bed. All the windows have been tinted. The truck's got a nice 5-inch exhaust. Sounds amazing. 18-inch chrome wheels. Tires are still like brand new. Again, this truck only has 9,500 miles on it. Tow mirrors, cab lights, chrome package. So you've got the chrome bumpers front and rear, chrome grille. Let's take a look inside. Full power options, cloth seats. We've got a 6-passenger seating arrangement. The flip-up console right there does turn into a seat. Headlight controls, tilt wheel, steering wheel controls here for your dash. On the right-hand side right here, that's your cruise controls. 9,581 miles. Uconnect 3.0 radio. There's your climate controls, factory trailer brake controller. This truck does have the Snow Chief package, which you get clearance lights, your cab lights, you get tow mirrors, you get all the upfitter switches, factory exhaust brake, that's your rear park assist. 4-wheel drive shifter is on the floor. In your flip-up console, you do have a USB and auxiliary input. The rear seats are in beautiful shape just like the front. You've got storage containers here in the floor. The rear seat flips up for storage. We do have the front brawl for the grill for cold weather climate and the reducer sleeve for the hitch. Here's another look at your dash. .7-liter Cummins turbo diesel, stock airbox, but you do have a 5-inch exhaust. You've got a 68 RFE, 6-speed automatic transmission. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or would like to purchase this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing available and take trades. I'm located just east of Columbus, Ohio, and the town is Baltimore, Ohio. Thank you.